morning to all of you. I am Shubhangi Gondani from Mechanical Engineering Department, and today we study a data acquisition system. It is the one of the part which is related to the computer, and this can be included in your syllabus with respect to the mechatronics, and data acquisition systems can be implemented with respect to the microprocessor. So data acquisition system. What is the questions which is related to the data acquisition system is, what is temperature at present, what is your age, how much power the fan is consuming, how much force you can apply on the table, what is the distance between x and y places. So topic discussed is introduction to data, DAS, that is the data acquisition system. The objective of DAS, the block diagram and explanation, methodology, hardware and software for DAS, merits and demerits of DAS, and DQS and conclusion. So introduction. The data acquisition system is the process of sampling signal that measures a real world physical condition and converting the resulting sample into a digital numerical values that can be implemented by a computer. The data acquisition systems abbreviate with ANOPSIS, that is the DAS and DAQ, typically converted analog waveform into the digital waves for easy processing. So introduction. The component of a data acquisition system include the sensor that converts the physical parameter to the electrical signal, the signal conditioning circuit to convert the sensor signal into the forms that can be converted into digital value, analog to digital converter which converts the conditional sensor signals to the digital value. The objective of the DAS. The DAS must be acquire the necessary data at correct speed and at correct time. It must monitor the complete plant operation to maintain online and safe operation. It must be able to collect, summarize and store the data for diagnosis of operation and record purpose. It must be flexible and capable of being expanded for future requirements. It must be able to compute the unit performance indices using online real-time data. It must be realized, easy to operate and must be user friendly. The block diagram of an data acquisition system. So this is a block diagram which is related to the data acquisition system. The physical systems in which the data can be transferred with the help of the transducer or a circle. It can be single conditional and it is converted into analog to digital, and with respect to the digital signal the computer can get the values. It is in the form of 00 and 100. So physical quantity variables are related to the temperature, pressure, motion and flow. The transducer can convert, the sense can convert the noise or in the form of the signal. The signal conditioning field and amplifies the signal. AD converter, that AD converter converts the analog data into digital data, and that data can be directly displayed on the computer with the help of 8 bits binary codes. So physical system condition. The physical condition that can be used as the input of DAS or which can be represented in digital form are under temperature, pressure, light, force, displacement, level, electric signal, on-off switches. The transducer. The transducer converts the temperature, pressure, level, length, position, etc. into the wavelength, current, frequency, pulse or other signal. The transducer thus converts the physical condition in electrical waveform for easy signal processing. The signal conditioning. The signal conditioning circuit improves the quality of the signal generated by the transducer before they are converting into digital signal by the PC's data acquisition hardware. The most common signal conditioning functions are amplification, linearization, cold junction, compensation, filtration, actuation, excitation, common mode rejection and so on. Analog to digital data conversion. Analog to digital data conversion changes the analog voltage or a current level into the digital information. The conversion is necessary to enable the computer to process or store the signals. This is the diagram which is related to the analog to digital conversion, in which the frequency of the amplifier goes to the converter where is a AD converter, and this can be represented data in the form of the digital codes. Methodology. The data acquisition system begins with the physical property to be measured. Example of these included the temperature, light, intensity, gas, pressure, fluid flow, force, etc. The sensor, which is a type of transducer, convert a physical property into a corresponding electric signal. The signal conditioning may be necessary if the signal from the transducer is not suitable for a DAQ hardware being used. After a signal conditioning, the among wave outside is converted into digital form using AD converter. Once the digitalized, the signal can be encoded to reduce the current transmission error. This whole process is called as a data acquisition system. Data acquisition hardware and software. The data acquisition hardware. The DAS hardware interface the signal and PC. It could be in the form of the module that can be connected to the computer port or code connected to the slot, and it is connected to the motherboard. The following are some hardwares. CAMAC, Computer Automated Measurement and Control. Industrial Ethernet. Industrial USB. LAN Execution for Instrumentation. NIM, Power Labs, VME Bus, VXR. The data acquisition software. The DAQ software is needed in order for the DAQ hardware to work with the PC. Involves the use of programming language such as C++, Visual, C++, Basic, Visual Basics, Adds On Tool, Fortran, Pascal, Ladder Logic, LabVIEW, etc. The merits and demerits. The merits, that is the advantages: reduce the data redundancy, reduce the updation error and increase the consistency, greater data integrity and independent from the application program, improve the data access to user through use of the host and query language, improve the data security, reduce the data entry, storage and retrieval cost, facilitates the development of new application programs. The disadvantages, that is the demerits. Database systems are complex, difficult and time consuming to design. Substantial hardware and software are startup cost. Damage to database affected virtually all applications program. Extensive conversion cost in moving from a file-based system to a database system. Initial training required for all the programmers and users. Conclusion. The data acquisition system typically converts the analog physical condition into digital value for easy processing. The DAS is advantageous as we can store a lot of physical conditions data in digital form. The DAS helps in easy processing of data as well as easy comparison can be done. Today the DAS used in almost every field, industries and companies. So this is any questions? So this is all about the DAS. In next PPT we start with data logger. So thank you.